Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can link your Google Drive account to your Claude account. So to get started, sign into Claude and we're going to want to navigate to our connectors tab. So we can find that here underneath the customize button at the left hand side of our screen and click on connectors, and then you can click on the plus button that appears near the top of your screen. So this will allow you to browse the available connectors in a catalog format. So we're simply going to click on the search bar and type in Google Drive.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
And here it is. I'm going to click on this plus button and it should ask us to sign into our Google account. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Sign in, click on continue, select all the permissions, and once that's done, you're going to be able to use Claude to interact with your Google Drive contents a bit. So let's say, for example, list the most recent file I've uploaded to Google Drive. So this is just an example, of course, but it should be able to pull your files. So whenever it asks for permission, feel free to click on always allow. And here we go. So this is the most recently accessed file in my Google Drive. And this is just one of many things that you can do once you've integrated your Google Drive account to your Claude account. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.